If you have been on the hunt for a reliable way to earn passive income online, look no further. Selling ChatGPT prompts on Etsy is a game changer, and here is why. Folks have made in a whopping $105K in a revenue from this innovative niche. Let's break it down. Let's do the maths. That's $4,300 a month. Crunch the numbers further, and it's $190 a week, and ultimately $16 per day. That's huge, right? Impressive. And it's not just a one-off story, Another individual have pulled in $15K since 2022. Now let's dive into the 3 simple steps that you can take on this path to making money with ChatGPT, just like these success stories. We will follow this plan. Step 1, generate prompts with ChatGPT. Step 2, create a prompt database in Google Sheets. Step 3, head over to Etsy and make money. As easy as this. But so, if this content brings some insights, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel to get notifications about our new videos. Now, let's get started. Do you remember the first step? Generating prompts with ChatGPT. But wait, what prompts should you sell? No worries, we'll be using a tool, an E-rank keyword tool that is used with Etsy to identify high traffic, low competitive products. Simply search for ChatGPT or ChatGPT prompts to find the perfect niche. This is your competitive research goldmine. Filter the listing by daily views to draw inspirations for your own unique listing. The second step, create a prompt database in Google Sheets. No matter the topic, use the prompting sequence to generate unlimited actionable prompts. For example, if ChatGPT prompts for marketing have low competitive and high traffic on the E-rank keyword tool, command ChatGPT to give you 100 prompts for social media marketing. Copy and paste this information into a Google Doc. Repeat the process to get 1000 prompts suggestions and create a downloadable file for potential buyers. Now it's time to make money, bro. Head over to Etsy and make money. But here is a pro tip. Take a look at the exciting listings for prompts on Etsy. Notice how they all use eye-catching thumbnails? You guess it, the thumbnail matters. I will even show you how to create attention-grabbing thumbnails using Canva, a free tool. Just search for create thumbnails and voila, a blank Canva to showcase your product. Now let's get down to business. If you are still with me and excited about the ideas of making money online like me, click on the link above for top ideas to kickstart your online earning journey.